Hello everyone and welcome back to the Growing Cars Show. Today we're unboxing a true American legend in 1/64 scale, the Hot Wheels Ford Mustang Coupe 67. This diecast comes from the HW Then and Now TM series, collector number 121 out of 250 for 2025, with code HYY62. Scale, as always, is 1/64, perfectly crafted for collectors and diorama lovers. This model belongs to Case P, 2025, part of the Then and Now lineup, which connects the classic icons of the past with their modern counterparts. The 67 Mustang Coupe stands out with its clean lines, iconic long hood, and short rear deck, the design that made the Mustang one of the most recognizable cars in history. Let's talk about the real Ford Mustang Coupe 67. Under the hood, it was offered with multiple engines, but the most famous was the 4.7-liter V8, producing around 225 horsepower, or 168 kilowatts. The car measured about 4.6 meters in length, could reach a top speed of 200 kilometers h, and accelerated from 0 to 100 kilometers h in about 8.5 seconds. Impressive numbers for the 1960s. The first-generation Mustang was more than just a car. It was a cultural icon. Introduced in 1964, by 1967 it had already become a symbol of freedom, youth, and American performance. Hot Wheels captures this spirit beautifully, making this miniature not just a toy but a tribute to automotive history. As collectors, we appreciate the details, the accurate proportions, the casting lines, and the paintwork that stays true to the classic Mustang spirit. Whether you display it in a diorama or keep it mint in packaging, this Mustang Coupe 67 is a must-have for any diecast enthusiast. That's it for today's unboxing. Don't forget to check out our other Hot Wheels and 1/64 scale diecast reviews. Don't miss out. Subscribe to our channel for daily diecast content, unboxings, 360-degree views, and dioramas every week.